How to share your Canva design via email. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can easily share your Canva design. So the first thing you have to do is open up your web browser and simply search for canva.com and hit enter. And once you open up your Canva, you'll land on your home page, and if you are logged in, you'll be able to see all of your designs here. So let me just quickly go ahead and open any random designs from my library. All right, so once your design is open, there are two ways you can do this. So the first one is just wait for your design to be loaded and completely ready to be shared. Once that is done, click on the share option at the top right. And here you can give access to people. So what you can do is just go ahead and enter your email address where you want to send them. And then it will show you the profile. It's already shared here, so I'm just going to enter another email. So what I'm going to do is just select another email. And once you have done that, just enter the email. If you want, you could just add another message and you can change the access. So if you want them to be able to edit, click on Can Edit, Can Comment, and then Can View, depending on your choice. I'm just going to leave it on Can Edit, and I'm just going to type in a message. Here is the design. All right, so then click on share. Now they will be notified on their email and you'll be able to share the design easily with them. Once they accept the invitation, they can also make an edit on this particular design. The other way you can do this is by going ahead and downloading your design first. So if you want to send the raw data or the file, you can click on share, go to download, and select the file type. So let's say if I want it on a PDF standard, so I'm going to choose PDF and then click on download. And once the download begins, it will be downloaded to your PC. I'm going to go ahead and open up Gmail here. Once you open up your Gmail, just go ahead and type in whom you want to send this to. Once that is done, just enter your subject. So let's just say Canva design. Right here on the body part, you can just explain it and click on this attach file button. Once you do that, just select the files from your download that you've just downloaded and then click on send. And that's pretty much it. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.